Hello fellow trans lovers, I'm your girl Lady, bringing you your hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also leave a comment below. It's more drama for Nokuthula Mabiga. Nokuthula Mabiga knocked over a high school pupil with her car, and now months later, it is reported that is now permanently paralyzed. The former Uzalo actress Nokuthula Mabiga has a dark cloud hanging over her head with regards to real-life tragedy that happened in August 2019. While driving in KwaMashu, KwaZulu-Natal, the actress bumped into a grade 11 pupil named Sanele Maphalala. The young man reportedly had dreams of becoming an astute businessman, but his mother fears that his dream might not materialize. Sanele Maphalala was discharged from hospital last week after spending a total of 4 months in ward as a result of his injuries from the car accident. The young man is now permanently paralyzed, and Nokuthula is reportedly taking the responsibilities caused by her actions. With regards to Sanele's current condition, his mother Sibongile Maphalala had this to say when contacted by Sunday Sun. He can't do anything for himself. I have to bath, dress him up, and help him to go to toilet. Nokuthula has ruined our lives. He eats porridge and soft drinks because I can't afford to buy him other healthy food since I'm unemployed. Sunday Sun further reported that the Maphalala family is distraught after learning the news of Sanele's paralysis. The family is also losing hope in the justice system after the police officer that was handling the case allegedly started to ignore them as well. She said, "This is painful as the officer is also ignoring us. We don't know what's going on regarding the case. We've also lost hope in justice system. My son's future is ruined. I won't find peace until Nokuthula is punished." Nokuthula declined to comment when contacted by the publication. So it is very bad news for the young man, and I hope justice reveals itself. So thank you guys for watching this video. I am out till next time.